Hey guys, thanks for watching. So I've got two sets of lights going out here. Keep in mind there's going to be a link in the video description below that would take you to the website for prices and options that you can look at. This is obviously a 3-row and a 4-row kit, and I've got all these wired up to one controller. For inquiring minds, this is 84 feet of light total on one controller. We can still go a little bit more. You can max out about 100, give or take. So one of these sets, the 4-row is going out to Andre, and the 3-row goes out to Greg. So these will go out Tuesday. Right now it's Friday. We're the weekend of Memorial Weekend, so it's a federal holiday weekend. Long weekend for everybody. Hope you guys have fun, be safe. But we're going to fire these up real quick and let you look at them. Now all these are for the Polaris Slingshot. I've actually got several kits going out Tuesday, but these just happen to be what I just finished most recently and are sitting on my bench. So anyway, if you're interested, let me know. We do build these for cars and trucks and everything else as well. But thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.